Another Monday morning, another container just coming from Japan. It's a 40-foot high cube container. It's coming with 3 Subarus and 2 Evos. So we just opened the doors. There's 2 version 8, version 9 STIs there. And the way they're stacked, we're going to get the bottom one out first, and then we're going to lower down the second one and work our way through it. Version 9, so it's the blob-eye shape, but in the rear arches you can see some wide track. So these are 6-speed DCCD cars, twin scroll, turbo. It's got a heavy hit on the front left there. So this car is perfect for braking for parts. So you'll see this up for sale soon. You've got this one on the car, haven't you? Yeah. What's the next car?
Stay.
on. 3 horsepower. Ah! So we've taken out 5 cars. We had Spec C in white, we had a Blob Eye in blue, the Evo 9, and there was the Evo 8 MR, and the last one was another Blob Eye white track in blue. Just finished. These cars have taken us 3 hours to offload, and you saw in the videos how they hung up and they will be lowered down. So it's quite a specialist bit of work. We'll be very careful and safe. They're all done. 5 of them are out. It's taken, I think, best part of 8 weeks to get these over, and the containers are all completed. It's going to go now. Bye, container.